Welcome back to Crypto Talk. So let's give you a quick rundown on Bitcoin here. It's Saturday. Usually Saturdays are the big movers. Seems like recently it's Wednesday and Saturdays the market tends to pick a direction. So bullish overall still. Upper trend line here is still holding. I've drawn two different value areas. This is the first time we've had a push up without really breaking making a newer high, I should say. So this could be local consolidation before we move higher, or we could finally come back down and grab more liquidity, which we did earlier. I'm so mad I missed this. I didn't put an alarm in, but this was a great long entry earlier. Completely, to the dot. You grabbed the liquidity, took out most of the stop losses. Everything under this was taken out. It was a perfect liquidity grab. So I think we could do it again. I think we can come as low as 75, 170. So I'm kind of looking for that area. This would be a good short opportunity. I don't like shorting uptrends. So if this was, I was going to do something like this is definitely a scalp. I've never been more as comfortable longing as I am shorting, or vice versa, excuse me. So shorts I'm not as comfortable with. So I tend to make a lower leverage for myself. So know your strengths and weaknesses. For some reason, I always do better on longs. But anyways, I just wanted to give you a heads up on this one. Could have a back test of the 76,385. You've also got here the previous day open and the daily low coming in roughly speaking at 76,500. Also the top of this little mini range right here, or see the value area high for this guy is 76, roughly we'll call it 640. Which we're coming to test the daily open basically. But until we really significantly lose some market structure, we're still bullish. So we could have a rounding top starting, but we all thought that was kind of starting here. But anytime you see these sharp edges like this, it's usually indicative it's bullish, not like it's a rounding top like McDonald's. So these are sharp edges moving up. It's usually very bullish. So this was a liquidity grab. So we did not break. We're still bullish in structure in general. We didn't really break bearishly, so it hasn't invalidated the overall trend. So that's what I'm watching for. Let's just zoom out a little bit for you on that. Let's do the 1 hour. Yeah, so RSIs are kind of tipping down, but they've been kind of riding. They're getting a little tighter now. They were tight here on this push down, then they gapped. Gapping just usually means it's not as a volatile move. You can see back here, these were strong, tight RSIs. That's why you had this massive pump. They're pretty much sitting on top of each other. VWAP is pointing down again, so expecting a pullback as we're having. Red dot has not kicked in yet, but money flow is actually looking like it's going up. So retail tends to FOMO. I guarantee there's some trapped longs up here. That's the whole point of that push up. Trap some longs, squeeze them back down, probably get some more longs put in and push back up. So still looking higher, but just calling out the fact we could come a little bit lower. All right, that's Bitcoin. What else I got here for you? Band protocol. I'll zoom out a little bit more for you because it's such a big chart. Band is just coming off the bottom, guys. Let me go on the weekly just so you have a better understanding of how far down we are. Band is like, what, 2,500% or something silly to my projected target. Just to get back to the all-time high, you're looking at 1,800%, 1,618's up at 2,900%, and the 3,618's up at 6,500%. So, yeah, this is the oracle that is riding the coattails of Chainlink. So Chainlink has a lot of B2B. Band protocol has all of the professional sporting arenas. So European soccer, NFL, NBA, Major League Baseball, you name it, they've got it. So also, if you got Solana here, looks good. I got a small bag of Solana just chilling in spot. Sui is pumping like crazy. Actually, if anything, I might just start leverage trading Sui. Sui looks like a lot of fun. My KDAO finally pumped off the bottom with the the Caspa move. You didn't see it. Caspa is just pumping like crazy right now. So it's funny, Caspo and Sui look exactly alike in terms of their market structure move. Still, KDAL is a heck of an, it's it's a huge capitulation. So I'm glad I bought some. What did I buy? 1174 is the last time I bought. So I got a good buy last time. So pretty happy with that. I think this could be the bottom, should be the bottom. But again, like I said in the previous video, when's the last time you saw a coin that's in the bull market? It's down 89%. So make it after today's little bitty pump here is probably only down 78%, but still great buying opportunity. Back over to Bitcoin. Which chart is this one? Let's go out to this guy. Well, you can see we're having our SOS starting now. So we're pushing. We are above everything on the resistance line. Looking for an SOS, back test of an LPS, and then continue higher on the next leg of the SOS going up. So this was a forming stage one, and you're going to have another stage somewhere, in my opinion, like the $85,000 to $95,000 range. Probably would have hit our head at 100,000, get rejected is my thought. It's a big psychological level. So from here on out, 80,000 or 90,000 and 100,000, the round numbers should be big psychological numbers expecting rejections from. But one baby step at a time. Let's take this as we go. This is a different chart. I like to draw things on different charts, leave them up, so it kind of gives me an idea. So we're still riding this coattail here. You've had increasing price action, decreasing momentum. So actually, you've had a bearish dip for a while, but it's the bull market. It's kind of what did you expect? You can have a bear dip for 6 months like we did back in May. I think it was like January to March or January to May. It was like bear div central, but it just kept pumping. So, all right, guys, I'll leave you at that. Nothing to say. It's financial advice. Best of luck. You want to find me, head over to Crypto Blackwall on Twitter, the Blockart Discord. If you need some private coaching, head over to Patreon. And I will talk to you soon. Bye.